Let's take a look at these drawer magnet kits I picked up to fix two drawers in our basement bathroom. This is one of those things that I've needed to fix for way too long, and I kept putting it off because it's down in our basement, so I don't see it much, but when I do, it's so annoying. But the time has come. These drawers need to close and stay closed when they're closed. Or else. So I grabbed this inexpensive drawer magnet kit on Amazon, and of course, it arrived really fast. And of course, I'll put a link below. You get these individual kits with a magnet plate, a metal plate, screws, and stickers. And a lot of people just use the stickers and don't bother with the screws, but that's a mistake. Yeah, it'll work until it doesn't. It'll fall off, and then the sticker never sticks as well as it did before. And then madness ensues. So let's do it right. And yes, that still involves using the stickers. First, you'll want to remove the drawer. And this one was kind of different from any I'd seen before. Usually you have these drawer slide locks and you pull one up while on the other side you push it down. But these were kind of odd. The pull up and down thing wasn't quite working. And then I looked closely and realized the way these ones unlock is to depress the top of the arc or the bow that's in the center instead of grabbing the end. Yours probably aren't like mine though, so just adjust as needed. Okay, now that we have the drawer removed, apply the bigger sticker to the back of the larger plate that has the embedded magnet. And notice that the plate has a front and a back side. The front shows the magnet, and you'll also notice that the screw holes are countersunk so that the screws are flush against the plate when tightened. So you apply that sticker to the back and then peel off the other side of the sticker and then tighten it onto the cabinet surface that's under the drawer. Then grab the smaller metal plate without the magnet and apply the sticker to its back. Again, the sticker goes on the back side so that the countersunk screw holes are facing away from the sticker. Then stick the face of the plate against the magnet plate that's mounted to the cabinet. The magnet will hold it in place with the sticker facing toward the drawer. Then put the drawer back in place and push it against the plate and the sticker and then open it up. The adhesive should have grabbed the backside of the drawer and stuck the metal plate to the edge of the drawer. So now you have that small metal plate perfectly aligned with the magnet. And now that it's stuck to the drawer, just remove the drawer one more time and screw it in place where it's stuck to the drawer. So I hope this short video has helped you decide if these drawer magnet kits are right for you, and thanks for watching.